What up, YouTube? Today is going to be leg day mixed in with some abs and some chest and maybe some shoulders. So last week I did 11 reps of this, so we got to beat it. All right, 14. Next exercise is going to be single leg extension. Last week we did 14 reps at 220. So I think I'm gonna move up to 235. It's gonna be a little bit lower in reps, so we got to move up in weight. And then probably next week we'll see a jump in volume. So if I can get 8 of this, that would be fantastic. Anything more than that would be exceptional. Good thing is today I have carved up significantly. It's later in the day. I ate way more food than normal. So I got a lot of carbs in the body. So I'm expecting some PRs today. Let's see how we do. Ten. Seat placement's a little off. I'm gonna adjust it for the left leg. Ooh, it's heavy though. It's heavy. Oh yeah. Oh, crazy. Next, gonna be a box squat. All right, last time I did 10 reps, 3 plates and a 10. We're gonna move up to a 25. I should get 3 to 4, maybe 5. We'll see how we do. Probably what's more challenging is the weight on my back, spine, but definitely feel it in the quads and glutes. Only thing I have left on legs is calves. But before I hit that, what I've been doing is grouping up some of my weak points on leg day. That way I'm hitting it at least twice a week. So in my opinion, chest is a weak point. So I wanted to kind of catch up to my back. So I'm doing that Monday. And then I'm doing it when I do legs, which is either Thursday or Friday. Normally I do legs on Friday, but I have plans for Friday. And so I bumped it up to today. All right, so last time we did shoulders on leg day. Time before that we did press, so 220 for 15, 235 for 8, and then Monday we did 235 for 11. So honestly, we're gonna bump it up. We're gonna do the whole plate, and it's gonna be low reps, but we got all weekend to rest and recover. So I'm not expecting many reps on this since we've already did a lot with the legs. So my energy is depleted some. If you have a weak point that you really want to improve on, put it at the very beginning when you're fresh so you can lift as heavy as possible. Leg day, I prioritize my legs. I don't want to put them on the back burner. So I'll squeeze this in like halfway through. All right, so 250 on this machine. If I can get maybe five reps, I'll be happy. Five. All right. So next week, what's the goal? Beat 5. But that's only if we rest long enough to recover and grow. If my reps go down, 2 things. I either went back too soon or I didn't eat enough to fuel the workout. It's one or the other. All right, feeling good about that. Next exercise is going to be a straight knee calf raise. Normally I do rest pause and I do that 3 to 4 times. A buddy of mine though showed me a way he was doing them that I'm gonna try out today. So should be straight, then out, then in, and then at the final part, you go low on your toes and explode. I have no idea how this is gonna feel, but I'm anticipating that it's gonna burn and suck. All right, here we go. So what I'm gonna do is kind of pace myself. All right, so now here's the inner one. Okay, then outer. Okay, these suck. And then the final part. So you went really low like this. So I'm not sure where I'm feeling at on that final one. It's definitely different. Actually, I'm feeling it shin. For rear delts, normally I do a reverse fly. Kind of want to mix it up today. I'm going to go free weight, old school dumbbell reverse fly, and we'll see how it feels. Oh, I might need to move over a little. Feels pretty good. I'm definitely feeling it. All right, workout complete. This morning I was like 10.9% body fat. So I'm hoping within maybe 2 weeks, finally break into 9%. We'll see. I'm back to introducing deficit days. And I've maintained 11 for over a month. And that was not tracking any calories. But it's about to be full-blown summertime. And I want to get as shredded as possible. I'm pretty close. I think 2 to 3 weeks of just a slight deficit will have me super shredded. With that said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you're doing. Are you cutting, bulking? Do you need help? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.